Congratulations on your purchase of Draper's StyleLine fixed projection screen. Whether you're setting up a home theater or a professional display, proper assembly and installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's dive right in. First, create a staging area for assembling your screen. Here's how. Spread a blanket, drop cloth, or another soft protective surface over a large table or floor space. All components are packed in the general order of assembly and can be unpacked as needed. This includes subframe sections, corner brackets and screws, mounting brackets and screws, screen surface, and bezel trim pieces if they're included in your order. Insert the subframe sections onto the frame corner brackets. Attach the long sides to the corner brackets first, followed by the short sides. Secure the frame corner brackets with the provided screws. Remember, screws must be countersunk and flush with the subframe for a smooth screen surface. Next, it's time to test the screen placement before attaching the surface. Attach the mounting brackets to the supporting structure. Brackets should be placed approximately 16 to 24 inches from the edge of the screen. Ensure your mounting structure is strong enough for the screen's weight. Carefully lift the assembled subframe onto the wall mounting brackets. Ensure it's level and lace flat on the brackets. If your installation is to include third-party LED backlighting, you may install these onto the channel on the back of the frame at this time. To attach the screen surface, remove the subframe from the mounting brackets and lay it on a soft surface with the front side facing up. We recommend wearing soft gloves whenever handling surface materials. Unroll the surface fabric and overlay it onto the frame. Starting at one corner, wrap the screen surface snugly around the subframe. The cut corner of the screen surface should be pulled taut to completely cover the corner of the frame. Repeat on the opposite corner before proceeding to the others. Ensure fabric tightness without deforming the screen surface. Next, tension the surface at the middle points of the horizontal sides. Once these points are attached, stand the screen on end to finish attaching and adjusting the screen surface. Starting from the middle of each side, gently pull and adjust each hook and loop strip as needed to eliminate ripples or wrinkles. For borderless screen applications, apply adhesive tabs to the corners for a nice, clean finish. Inspect the surface for smoothness before proceeding to the next step. Finally, let's attach the bezel trim. Lay the product once again on the soft surface with the screen surface facing down. Slide the bezel trim pieces onto the subframe. Align the holes with the corner brackets and loosely attach them with the screws and washers. Once all pieces are aligned, stand the product on end and tighten the screws while drawing the mitered corners together. Perform a final review of the product for fit and finish, and you're ready to hang it up. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.